earnings day on AMC, and sure enough, the price tanks because of this new ape equity that the company's issuing. It's basically a stock split. So I don't see any reason for the same nonsense that's been going on forever to just continue into the future. In fact, I think that it's going to change a whole lot of nothing. I think Adam Aron figured out a way to keep his shareholders interested while at the same time enabling them to issue more equity to raise money, which is good, inherently good. When they wanted to dilute the float earlier last year, I voted yes, because that makes sense to me. You have a CEO of a company that knows how to run a business, and he wanted to issue more shares. I voted yeah, that guy knows what he's talking about. So I think that this is overall very bullish for the company because they'll be able to make some cash. That's what the company needs, is cash. They don't need a high share value. Their share value is totally irrelevant to the company's fundamentals. You don't open up a balance sheet and the company complains that their stock is low. No, when stocks drop, that CEO's getting a salary haircut. That's all it is. I mean, let's be honest. The company doesn't need a high share value, but they need to be able to issue shares in order to raise funds. So I think overall, that is good. APE is going to be good for the company in that way, but I don't think in any way, shape, or form it's going to be any more of a MOAS trigger than any of the other bull nonsense, whatever, that we've been seeing for the last 2 years. Honestly, I don't, because those equities are going to go through a market maker first before they hit the markets. There's just no doubt in my mind about that. And the market maker is going to do whatever they need to be able to meet the demand of the marketplace. So yeah, for me, it's a big nothing burger. Today, the price opened high, and we did see a close above yesterday's close, and so that does result in a higher RSI. I'm really interested in what happens tomorrow. I think that perhaps we did get a higher high on the RSI. I need to double check. I haven't really looked, to be honest. I've just been busy. That's why I'm out and about now. But I suspect that the RSI is establishing that bearish divergence I was talking about yesterday. And if it didn't set up that divergence, we're undoubtedly looking at a swing failure model anyway. So I think that AMC coming up to this high at around $19. Yesterday I pinned it in the Discord. I said, hey, watch 1939. And sure enough, that was the level of horizontal support and resistance upon which the price spun before being sent down. And sure enough, after going down, the price bounced back up into corrective trend, classic rising wedge style, towards the top of which I bought a put. If you're a Capivision subscriber, you know which put I bought. I share that stuff in the private channel in the Discord. You can hit join below, I think, in the description, or find the link on the channel page for the Capivision. Like, I really do. A little smaller. Now let's talk about American Eagle Outfitters. I think that today was a pretty red day, but the price did hold a significant level of support and resistance near $12. I think that's great. I think that American Eagle Outfitters is finishing a consolidation or corrective wave, and what follows is going to be a big push higher, a very strong push higher, the kind of push you're used to seeing in AMC. I think American Eagle Outfitters is about to make such a move. I think that tomorrow is a signal day. I suspect that AMC is going to tank. Probably pre-market, it's going to tank. And then we might see that gap fill with a big green. But the close is still going to be probably significantly below today's open. So I'm looking for more downside overall. I think long-term, AMC is going to be having a very, very, very bad time, as the stock essentially was split today. And, well, my put is doing very well. I might even roll it going into next week. I'm not sure. I don't think I can see comments here. I've never done this on my phone before. Let's see here. Is this a comment thing? Let's see the live chat. Are people saying stuff? I can't see it. I can't see it. Anyway, this is me babbling. I'm walking home now. Went and saw my grandma today. That was great. Hi, Grandma, if you're watching. I will be making a video tomorrow, so stay tuned for that. And happy trading. Oh, I do see some comments. Cool. Hey, thanks for letting me know you guys are there. It does help. Since welcome to Capivision. Since people are here, do you guys have any questions? Like, do you want to talk about it? I mean, I don't know. It seems like we're having a pretty good discussion in the Discord. If you're not in the Discord, get in the Discord. Not dilution unless approved. Yeah, that was what was interesting, is that to me it does seem like a dilution, but without any voter approval, which is like curious. I wonder if that's how the legal team figured out how to dilute the stock. We'll just make a new equity. Creative. That's Adam Marin for you. The guy's smart. Where is AMC going tomorrow? So I think that there is going to be a burst of selling, and we're going to need to wait for that selling climax before we see an end to, or we find a bottom. Probably going to be a high volume event when we do reach that low. So I'll be watching that very, very carefully. I would suspect that tomorrow the price is probably just going to move down, and we might actually even find support, maybe a high wave candle. That makes the most sense to me. Whoa, where'd my chat go? Bring it back up. Show me the chats. Okay, so it's kind of loud, guys. I'm walking over a freeway right now. So I'm gonna go. Happy trading. Now, how do I stop this thing is the question. Jeez.